What's up everyone, Nick at MarineMax in Crosslake here, showing you a 2024 Lusso 23 UC. We've got this awesome white opal and champagne accent. Really makes this boat pop with that black rail package. We're gonna hop inside and show you a little bit more. Now we're topside on this boat. In the bow, we've got these very comfortable loungers with armrests. This linen and charcoal really gives you a classy feel. We've got the nice charcoal piping as well. We've got LED Yeti ready cup holders, premium sound system. At the bow we have our anchor storage, so that's conveniently placed and easy to access. At the midship of the boat, in front of the co-captain's seat, we have our fold out table. This is really convenient for our food and drinks, a docktail table if you will. It's also really nice for our pets. Provides a nice shaded area, can fit a large dog under there, but also very conveniently placed is their food and water dish at the helm. At the helm, we have our push button controls on either side of the steering wheel. This controls our floor lights, accent lights in the cup holders. We have our Mercury SmartCraft gauges for our tachometer, and then we do have a standard speedometer as well. Over here we have our Audison head unit. This is the premium sound system in the marine industry. We also have our Simrad touchscreen over here as well. This can be used for digital motor display with those tachometer and speedometer readings, as well as our maps and depth. This boat is equipped with a Mercury 300 V8 Verado and the DTS throttle and shift with active trim control. Active trim control is a great feature for new boaters. You don't need any knowledge on how to trim your motor based on various speeds that you're going. You can just turn this on and it takes care of it for you. The U in the UC layout stands for Ultra Lounger. You can fold this multiple directions, whatever best fits the crew that particular day or however you like to boat. You can check out this boat on our website at marinemax.com, or you can stop in at the Crosslake store and see it yourself.